The laughter is the best medicine to overcome tension in life. It has the capacity to make us forget all our problems and affects positivity. Laughter strengthens our immune system, boosts mood, diminishes pain, and protects us from damaging effects of stress. The tablet of laughter is free of cost, easy to receive, and you don't have to move to buy it from any medical store. It's in your own hand. Laughter is language of soul. Dear audience, there are a lot of benefits of laughing. Reduces heart diseases. It's a national painkiller. Improve breathing. Help to lose weight. Decreases fat and makes you more younger. A happy and cheerful person is always welcome in friends and fellows. In the end, I would like to request you all laugh as much as possible. Laugh as there are various ways to laugh, such as it crack jokes, watch comedy films and shows. They try to spread some positivity and makes people laugh. It is a blessing if you have the ability to make others laugh. If you laugh, it may not add years to your life, but will show the